Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can basically import fonts in CapCut. So just like the font that you want to sort of download and just download the font, and you are just going to wait for the font to get downloaded. So once you are done, you are just going to start to download and you are going to open the folder, and then just open one of them and open up the font file, either this one or you can this one. So doesn't really matter which one you choose basically. So I'm just going to install this one, and you are actually going to close CapCut first if CapCut is open, and you are going to open it again. Select any project you've added before and select any text in your CapCut. Then you are just going to scroll down until you find the font. So there is font. Then you are going to search for the font you just installed. So you are just going to close this presets and recently used, and you will find under system fonts that specific font you just downloaded. So this one's called this one. This font we just downloaded, Mailboy. So the Mailboy font we just downloaded, and that is basically it. It is super simple. You just have to go for the website to download the font, and after downloading you just have to install, and then you just have to restart your CapCut application, open any project, open any text, and then you just come for these fonts and you can search the font here you've just downloaded recently. So that's really easy. I hope this video was helpful. So if you like the video, please smash the like button and don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Thank you.